Have you ever wondered what's the difference between I have studied English and I have been studying English? If yes, then this class is for you. Welcome back to our English Tenses Masterclass. In today's 7-minute lesson, you'll master the present perfect continuous tense through a real teacher and student conversation. If you haven't watched Part 1 Present Simple, Part 2 Present Continuous, and Part 3 Present Perfect, watch those first because this lesson becomes much easier after understanding them.
Ma'am, this tense sounds really difficult.
It sounds difficult, but by the end of this class it'll be one of the easiest tenses for you. Let's begin. First, let me ask you a question. How long have you been learning English?
I have been learning English for 6 months.
Excellent. Now tell me, are you still learning English?
Yes, ma'am.
Exactly. That's why we use the present perfect continuous tense. It describes an action that started in the past and is still continuing now. Let's take another example. How long have you been living? In this city?
I have been living here for 3 years.
Perfect. You're still living here, right?
Yes.
That's why we say have been living. Now answer these questions. How long have you been using a smartphone?
I have been using a smartphone for 5 years.
Very good. How long has your friend been studying English?
He has been studying English for 1 year.
Excellent. Listen carefully. I am studying English for 2 years. Is it correct?
No, ma'am. It should be. I have been studying English for 2 years.
Correct. Another one. She has studying here since 2024, correct?
No, it should be. She has been studying here since 2024.
Perfect. Here's a question. Which one is correct? I have been working here since 2023, or I have been working here for 2023.
The first one.
Exactly. Remember this easy trick. Since equals starting point since Monday, since 2023 since morning. For equals duration for 2 hours, for 5 years, for 6 months. Translate these sentences. मैं 2 घंटे से पढ़ रहा हूँ.
Have been studying for 2 hours.
Excellent. वह 2022 से यहाँ काम कर रही है.
She has been working here since 2022.
Perfect. हम कई वर्षों से दोस्त हैं.
We have been being friends.
Not quite. A natural sentence is, we have been friends for many years. Not every sentence needs the present perfect continuous.
Oh, I understand now.
Which sentence is correct? A. I have been waiting for an hour. B. I am waiting for an hour.
Option A.
Correct. Next. A. She has been cooking since 7 a.m. B. She is cooking since 7 a.m. Option A. Excellent. Great job. Today you've learned the present perfect continuous tense in a simple and practical way. Remember this easy rule: have, has, plus been, plus verb, plus ing. Use it when an action started in the past and is still continuing now.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I finally know when to use this tense.
You're welcome. If you enjoyed this lesson, like, share, and subscribe for the next episode of our English Tenses Masterclass. If you missed the previous lessons, watch Part 1, Present Simple, Tense Part 2, Present Continuous Tense Part 3, Present Perfect Tense. In the next class, we'll learn past simple tense with real-life conversations and easy practice.
See you in the next class.
Keep practicing, keep speaking English, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.